Hi guys, I'm Pearl and welcome back to my channel, My French Story, the place to be to learn French. So make sure that you subscribe. Today I am very excited to talk about my French challenge, Learn French in 10 days. Whew. So a lot of you guys are watching me because you are beginners and you would like to learn French online, but you don't really know where to start and what to do. So I decided to do this challenge and put everything you need to know for beginners in only 10 days. And this video is the day number 1. So I'm going to disappear very soon and you will have the first video of the program. So every lesson is a video. Then you have to do exercises and finally learn some vocabulary thanks to some audios. So you have 3 steps to follow. Watch the video, do the exercises, learn your vocab. And in 10 days, you will speak French. So this program, this challenge is perfect if you are a beginner. An absolute beginner, or if you know some French, but you would like to revise, you would like to refresh your skills. So I'm not going to talk much. I'm going to let you dive into the day 1 of the challenge. Salut! Welcome on the lesson number 1 of my program, Learn French for Beginners by My French Story. So in this first lesson, we are going to talk about articles. More precisely, we are going to talk about definite and indefinite articles in French. What are they? When to use them? And also, what are the most common mistakes that you want to avoid? Well, let's get started. So an article is a little word that always comes with a noun. So you need to see a noun as a child and an article as a parent. A child always needs a parent. So a noun always goes with an article. So in French, we have definite articles, le, la, les, and L apostrophe. And we have indefinite articles, un, une, des. So which one to use and when? Well, let's start with definite articles. So there are 4 definite articles in French. Le, you use it in front of masculine singular nouns. La, you use it in front of feminine singular nouns. You have L apostrophe, you use it in front of nouns that start with a vowel. They can be either feminine or masculine. And you have les, les. So here you don't pronounce the S. It's not les, it's les. And you have les in front of nouns that are plural. Same thing here, they can be either feminine or masculine. So when in English you only have one word, in French we have 4. Guys, you need to get used to it because it's going to be like that throughout the program. You are really going to see the main differences between English and French. So let's have a look at some examples. So before masculine singular nouns, use le. For example, le garçon, le garçon. Before feminine singular nouns, use la. For example, la fille, la fille. Before singular nouns that start with a vowel, feminine or masculine, use L apostrophe. For example, l'école, l'école. Before plural nouns, feminine or masculine, use les. For example, les filles, les filles, les garçons, les garçons. So now let's talk about indefinite articles in French. So in French, there are 3 indefinite articles. Un, in front of masculine singular nouns. Une, in front of feminine singular nouns. And des, in front of plural nouns. They can be either feminine or masculine. Same thing here. Let's have a look at some examples together. Before singular masculine nouns, use un. For example, un garçon, un garçon. Before singular feminine nouns, use une. For example, une fille, une fille. Before plural nouns, feminine or masculine, use des. For example, des filles, des filles, des garçons, des garçons. So with the first lesson, you quickly understand the importance of feminine and masculine in French. Don't worry, in the lesson number 2, we are going to learn how to identify if a word is feminine or masculine. But guys, for now you know what are indefinite and definite articles in French. It is my time to test you. It is time for us to practice together. So I'm going to give you tiny sentences to translate for me in French, and you will have to put the right article. Don't worry, I am going to help you. It is now time for our test. So guys, I'm going to give you some short sentences to translate from English to French, but don't worry, I am going to help you. Let's get started. Des garçons, des garçons. Le garçon, le garçon. Une fille, une fille. La femme, la femme. Les filles, les filles. Un arbre, un arbre. Les arbres, les arbres. Une maison, une maison. La maison, la maison. Les maisons, les maisons. Des maisons, des maisons. So well done, guys. The lesson number 1 of the program is now over. But you are not completely done. Please go on your ebook and do all the exercises about the first lesson. Also, make sure you learn your vocab list. It's really important. Once you've done your exercises and you learn your vocab list, you can move on to the next lesson. That's it for the lesson, and I see you very soon in the lesson number 2. Salut! So guys, it was the lesson 1 of our 10 days challenge. I hope you liked my braids. So now what you need to do, you need to go on myfrenchstory.com to have access to the exercises, the ebook. Also, you will have access to the audios to learn the vocabulary, and then you will have to do day 2. To do day 2, you need to officially join the challenge. To do so, follow the link in the description box down below. Go on myfrenchstory.com to officially join me. I'm very excited. So I see you in day 2. See you tomorrow.